So here we are, guys. It's Jeremy here at the Ontario Regiment Museum in Oshawa. Historic day here for us. We have our Mark V long-range Centurion. It's been in restoration, start and stop, for over 15 years. And today is the first time it's out for a field maintenance run. You can see the team there behind. You'll see some footage in this video of it running around. It doesn't have its rear engine decks on. You can see that one of the crew members is in the bustle rack on fire watch. When you're running the engine, trying the transmission for the first time, new line fuel tanks, there's anything that could go wrong, and we hope it doesn't. So, historic day at the Ontario Regiment Museum.
Hydraulic or engine?
Do you see anything if you pull one of the rods on the ankle?
It's not really smelling.
Yeah, you can see it might be.
I think we should probably.
Are they bolted down or no?
Yeah, it is. Well, it's got a lot of dust in it. Final dry?
It's coming from the front, behind the brake drum.
Yeah.
It's also splashing all over the steering wheel. I don't know if it's both.
It's probably the final drive itself. The input shaft seal.
It is thick, isn't it?
Yeah, it is thick.
How's it getting over? As the fan's picking it up, it's going up. This is coming down, the fan's going up back.
Yeah,
Alright, let's take it. Well, we hit a snag on the first drive. Looks as though the final drive seals, the inner seals, just behind the two main brake drums there, are leaking. I had the main brake drums off and cleaned up and repaired, but I didn't do anything with the final drive seals. I left those are original, or however old they are. So with all the oil in the final drives being stirred up and heated up and flung around, it looks as though the seals of this side particular has developed a fairly bad leak, and this one's leaking a little bit too. So we'll take it back inside and we'll clean it up and have a look at the drawings and see what's involved in replacing those seals.